We got another diamond painting to do an unbagging with. We're finally starting to get our shipments in from China. This is supposed to be a wolf and a horse. Let's see here. And I'm hoping that due to the weight and considering it was pouring down rain when this was delivered, that there's no damage. Which I don't think so, because they have it pretty well taken care of with the plastic and all. Oops. Where's the... That's not going to work. It's too sticky. Okay, there. I hope everyone has been doing well and staying warm and dry wherever you are in the world. Oh goodness, oh, that's in there. Oh, no wonder that bubble. Okay, that's not going to work, so we're going to do it this way. Now let's see if we can. There we go. Let's put this over here out of the way. Alright, and this was a what, 30 by 40?
Yeah.
This is a 30 by 40. Let's see what we got here. How does this look? Oh, there's a lot of white. And of course you have your kit with your drill pen, your boat, and your wax and drills. And there's our picture. And this is what it's supposed. I don't know how well this can be seen. It's like a little bitty. And that's what it's supposed to look like. And there is 27 colors in this. It looks good on the back. It's a nice canvas. Now let's see here. And there's your drill filled. It's clear. Doesn't look like it's going to be too confusing, but there is a lot of your lighter colors. And the tack is good on it. Let's see if we can get this back down over this. Oh goodness, here we go. And I'm sticking to the canvas because it's overlaid at the bottom. So put my hand down there, it wants to stick. So I'm gonna have to use some tape or something to prevent that from happening when I start working on this. And oh my goodness. Okay, that's gonna have to do for now.
Hold it up so I can get a good look at it.
And I'm trying to straighten it out some. And that is, I'm calling this one Horse and Wolf. It's a simple design, but two of my favorite animals are, you know, horses and wolves, and of course your big cats.
How many colors it's got?
As I said before, 27. It doesn't look like there's any rivering or bubbling in the canvas. Just some small creases from the way it was folded. I'm going to have to put this with the others under something heavy to get it to lie down and behave. I promise I'm not going to fuss with this. I just want to get it back covered. But it'll take me forever to get this the way I want it. Because, yeah. But I think that's going to be pretty. And you have your color table over here, which is pretty easy to follow. And you have your numbers also with this one. Your DMC numbers, which is good. And what I've gotten to where I do is they have two tables. So what I do is I will cut along the edge and I snip them down, and I use Scotch tape, a little piece of Scotch tape, and I put this on Scotch tape and put it on my bags. And that's the easiest way for me to keep track of my colors and my drills and stuff. And it's also inexpensive, so it works out perfectly. And let's see here. This is probably the canvas and not the actual drill. So the drill field itself. Let's,
about 35.
mm-hmm. About 24 and a half.
Yeah.
But this is our latest that we got in. We're hoping to have some from Everyday Deals coming in as well. Hopefully within the next few weeks. We're keeping our fingers crossed. I guess there was some stuff out of stock and they were waiting on it to get in stock, and we emailed them and they sent us something back to want us to pick other ones, so we had to pick some different paintings than what we originally had. So hopefully we'll be getting some in soon. And here are our drills. Please forgive the crinkling, but yeah, pretty pinks. And what is that? It's like a what, plum and grays. Oh, look at the strays.
Mm-hmm.
Black. Haha, more 310s. Hee-haw, at least it's just a small amount though. And some more grays. Another straggler. More grays, some pretty green. Yeah, I think that works better. And drills look pretty good. Again, they're smaller drills than what were on my other ones. Pretty purples, and looks like a, is that 310? No, that's 823. Was that a blue? But the drills look good. Has some pretty colors. It's not really going to be too colorful, but they have some nice colors. Your white, your off-white, purple, more grays, like a really light blue, more purples. I think it's gonna look good. It's gonna be pretty. But I'm about to start working on one of our others that we've already done a video on. which is this one over here. It's the wolf, the one we did the first video on this side over here. I'm going to be starting on this one probably tonight or tomorrow. And we do appreciate you guys being patient with us. I know the videos aren't coming quickly, but we're going to try to improve on that. It's just life happens, and sometimes, you know, we can't do the videos like we want to. But we do appreciate you guys watching, and if you would, please, you know, give us thumbs up and hit the subscribe button and even hit the little bell. That way you'll know when we drop videos. And there will be more videos to come. And as always, be true to you and be blessed. Bye, guys.